Hey, what's good, family? Today we back in the stew with another video, and this one we're gonna talk about Supreme Week 19. The season's almost done, bro. It's concluding. Low-key, some of the teas releasing this week were actually pretty fire, so I'm gonna go ahead and talk about it. If y'all do end up enjoying this video, go down there, leave a like on it. If you're interested in any Supreme or sneaker content with possible Mystery Mondays coming through soon, subscribe to the channel for more content. And with all that being said, let's get straight to it. First up at the top, we got the Explore portable speaker. This one's gonna retail at $258, and it comes in two colors, the red metallic and then the black one. Honestly, both of them look pretty clean. I just wonder if this is a good speaker in general. I'm pretty sure they're not about to collab on some bullshit. $300 almost for this one. Not too bad considering that it is a whole portable speaker. Let me know if this is an item that you're gonna personally be going for. I honestly don't know. I am a fan of some of the tees though, like this hand style tee. Shit is a banger, and that cream color for sure. One of the items that I'm gonna go for this week. I'm interested in seeing what some of the other colors are gonna look like for this one as well, but most likely, bro, I'd end up going for that shit right there. There's the Supreme Wilderness Systems kayak. This shit's gonna release only on the US website, and it's gonna retail at $1,600. Yes, bro, $1,600. I don't really plan on going kayaking no time soon, and if I do, I'm about to rent one at the park that I'm in. I'm not about to pull up with my own kayak. Like, that's not the vibe I'm on. This one, after tax and shipping and all that shit, is almost rent money, bruh, so I'm good on this. Low-key, the Manhattan tee is a banger though. I fuck with this one. On the front of this one, you basically got the train station, you got some yellow cabs, you got the Supreme branding on a truck. This shit is actually hard, bro. Like, one of my favorite pieces this whole season, no bullshit. Maybe it partly has to do because I was born in Manhattan, but this shit is hard. Then on the back of this tee, you got Supreme Manhattan and almost like these block graffiti letters. I'm fucking with it, bro. This is literally me at the core. I need to see what other colors they have for this shit though. I'd be cool with a little black, little cream joint. Fire. Let me know how y'all feel about the Manhattan tee. Honestly, bang. They got the Arc water shorts releasing in 5 colors. I think I'm asleep on these. I already have some Supreme water shorts. Low-key, them shits is a little bit big on me, so maybe in due time I'd pick up a new pair, but right now I'm chilling on this, you feel me? I don't really need to go and cop these. They're not really doing much for me, honestly. I've seen better. Let me know if y'all gonna be going for these though. I do kind of like the brown color, or like that deep blue purpley type color. Besides that, the other ones are just, it's whatever, bro. We got the mesh new era fitted. What the fuck is going on, bro? You got a whole fitted with holes in the back. Do the trucker or do the fitted. I don't think you can mesh the two, bro. That shit sound critical. Like, I'm good on that shit. It's gonna release in like 6 different colors. Don't do it to yourself. Like, I'm out of words, bro. I don't know what else to say about this shit right here, so we gonna leave that right where it be and go to the special offer Camp Cap. Low-key, this one is a little bit better. It has more design aspects to it. Normally, I don't really with Camp Caps like that anymore. This one's one of the ones that I kind of see where they went with it, and it doesn't look that bad. It has like that coupon newspaper vibe to it. You gotta know what I'm talking about. This shit is clean though. I don't think I'll end up picking it up, honestly, but it still does look clean. Got the towel releasing in 3 different colors. It's literally a towel that says on it probably like 72 times. It is what it is, bro. The black and white one is kind of decent. I would not spend $100 on this towel, so I'm gonna leave that shit right there. We got this float tee in this yellow ass color. I feel like this shirt in a different color would possibly look better. It's throwing me off simply because of the yellow. Like, this shit is hella bright. There's basically a girl floating on a Supreme floaty in the pool. That's all this tee is. Nothing too special. The hand style and the Manhattan tee, that's where I'm at this week. Inset gel Camp Cap. This is one of the better Camp Caps we've seen. I do like some of these colors as well. That brown, the black, the olive. Blue is a little bit too blue, bro. Too blue. But we got the Daido Moriyama tights tee. Basically, there's almost like this girl butt-ass naked on this one. Am I tripping or am I tripping, bro? I think I'm good on that one. I'm not the type of person that's gonna wear literally a shirt like that. Like, bro, where are you wearing that to? Like, what you doing? Where you going? Like, what's up? But we got the competition long sleeve. This one comes in 3 different colors. I honestly think it's pretty solid. Gives me like 2006 Gap vibes for sure, bro. You got the little piping on it. Normally it would say like Old Navy under it. Then it has the Beef and Brock color. Perfect, bro. Back in the day, this was some Beef and Brocks and some wide ass jeans. You would have been killing the game, for real. There's this other Daido Moriyama tee. This one has like a dog that doesn't really look like a dog on this shit. This shit look possessed, my boy. Like, we gonna leave that shit right there. Like, who is copping this shit? I don't know if it's the black on black with this one, but it does not look like a little puppy. This shit look crazy. There's also these cargo work shorts. I think these aren't that bad, to be honest. They kind of mid, you feel me? The cream color, the olive, the little Supreme branding on the side, it's okay, but it's at the bottom of this list for a reason, folks. Like, let's not play ourselves. This one is doo-doo to the masses. Some people could pull it off, but that's not me. Got this Gore-Tex shell jacket. This shit has 1,000 logos on it. I don't know what is going on. Literally the forbidden fruit on there, head ass. You got like this tribal tattoo over everything, a blue flower. Like, this shit look crazy. I don't know who's copping this and why they're releasing it literally in July. Like, what the f? They're releasing a whole ass coat in July. Like, that shit don't make no sense, bro. Got this Too Many Assholes tee releasing this week. This is actually not terrible, simply because it's what we're going through right now. Like, this is something that people should wear on July 4th. People beefing with the system right now, just like all the time. Honestly, another diversion, which I will talk about on my little conspiracy videos. Not really trying to jam y'all with it, but stay tuned for that. There's basically a bunch of Nazi ass people with American flags and shit, and on top of it, it says Too Many Assholes. Under it, it says Supreme. This is the type of shit that I like that Supreme does here and there, because they take little jabs at society in a way. Maybe I'm tripping and I'm just looking at it from a different perspective. I might not cop this, but it does look kind of solid. There's this cutout crusher which has a Supreme spell out and almost extra fabric sewn on there. This once again gives me Gap Old Navy vibes back in the day. If you know what I'm talking about, you know exactly what it is, bro. I had the light blue denim crusher that looked like this, but it said Gap on. Now in 2022, would I cop something like this? To be honest, keep it a buck with y'all, negative, folks. That's not where I'm at in life right now. I don't even know if I pull up with a bucket. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's just not in my cards right now. Last up, we got the mask tee. Honestly, this is better than some of the other ones we've seen. It does look kind of creepy, almost like an alien. What the f is going on? Why is bro's ear up here? Like, nah, we good. Hey, it says invisible et invisible. No, it's not invisible, because I could see it. This shit look crazy. To each his own, you feel me? I feel like I shat on this whole release, but there is a couple little pieces here and there that are fire, and those are the ones you gotta go for, whatever they are to you, low-key. For me, the speakers fire, the hand style tee, that Manhattan tee, that shit is hard as fuck. Kayak, you feel me? If you out here climbing mountains and you gotta use what you gotta do, hey, then do what you gotta buy. Like, you feel me? Buy what you gotta do. What the fuck did I just say? The special offer camp cap, kind of decent, you feel me? The little coupon book hat, that one doesn't look too bad. Besides that, shit is kind of doo-doo, bro. That float tee is actually not bad. I'm kind of fucking with that one, you know? Nothing too crazy, but that was alright. And besides that, shit is looking kind of buns, bro. But if y'all enjoyed this video, leave a like on it down below, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments what you're gonna be buying from Supreme this week. And stay tuned, I'm actually about to start editing the conspiracy video that I got for y'all. Something different for the channel. Also, some July releases coming soon, so stay tuned for that video as well. Watch this video if you're interested in Yeezy Day releases, and watch this video that YouTube is recommending you right now. Also, you can subscribe right there. But with all that being said, I'm gonna catch y'all. Peace, stay up, now, out.